we've learned about a number of health benefits, but it is also important to note that injuries and other adverse events can and do sometimes happen. With that said, the benefits far outweigh the potential adverse effects. So, in order to ensure that physical activity is safe and a positive experience, people should attend to the following. 1. Choose appropriate types and amounts of activity. You can reduce your risk by choosing safe activities that are of moderate intensity and low impact. Increase physical activity gradually over time. It's important that you do not go all in as you begin your physical activity program. The risk of injury to bones, muscles, and joints is directly related to the gap between a person's usual level of activity and the new level of activity. So do not try to go from being a couch potato to a marathon runner in a weekend. Instead, try to add small and comfortable amounts of exercise, such as 5 to 10 minutes of walking per session, 2 to 3 times a week to one's usual activity. Youth and young adults can probably safely increase activity by small amounts every week, while older adults seem to require more time to adapt, typically in the range of 2 to 4 weeks. Be sure to take appropriate precautions. This refers to using the proper equipment and choosing safe environments to be active. For example, pay close attention to the outside environment, as both heat and cold stress can be dangerous. You also want to be sure to follow rules and policies that promote safety and to make sensible choices about how, when, and where to be active. Let's watch a short video that outlines some of the important things to remember when exercising in the heat. So that little short video gives us some just brief suggestions about how to stay safe, especially during the hot days of summer and fall when the heat is intense. I would point out that we probably need to consume more than 5 to 7 cups of water a day. We need to consume much more than that, and we'll learn more about that in later modules in this class. So once again, be sure to read through the real-life examples at the end of this section in the textbook. These examples will illustrate those guidelines discussed here, as well as others outlined in the textbook.